Hello guys, this is Violet from VioletCoz and welcome back again. I know it's been a while since I've been on the channel, but we're back, yay! Today I'm gonna be showing you some of the goodies from Youvimi. They were very nice to send quite a few things, a bunch of things in here. We've got a top, some contact lenses and some wigs. I do have one of the wigs actually on the back right here. We're gonna start with trying out some contact lenses first. We've got 3 different pairs to try. One is like grayish blue color. Pastel purple. And we've got some green color as well. They have some very pretty stars on the contact lenses too. The next item that I will be showing you is the top, and it's got a little bow and the pom-poms. So here is the wig. It's got very beautiful curls. It is very short, as you can see. It's very soft, it's got a lot of hair. Here's the second wig. It's blonde with the orange ombre and it is very soft and very full too. Dark blue on the roots, it's got grey through the length, and then it's got dark blue ends. If you did like the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Since video will be coming out around Christmas time, I'm wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope to see you very shortly. See you! Bye! If you did like the video, please click the link. What am I saying? My God!